All right, welcome back to Chapter 8. It's been a long break while we covered Chapter 3, but we're back to Chapter 8. We did arithmetic sequences before where you were adding the same number to each term. And now we're going over geometric sequences, which means you are multiplying by the same number every time. So, a geometric sequence has the ratio of consecutive terms the same every time. Or you can just think of it as you are multiplying by the same number each time. Here, obviously you can tell you're multiplying by 3 every time, so your ratio is 3. If you want to do the ratio way, because they're not always as simple, you would just say 9/3, that's 3, 27/9 is 3, 81/27 is 3. So here you get the same ratio every time. It was obvious in this one that it's 3. It's pretty obvious in the second one as well. Our ratio every time we're multiplying by 2. But again, if it were not this simple, you would do 20/10, 40/20, 80/40, 160/80 also equals 2. For number 3, we are multiplying again. These 3 are pretty simple. If they are more difficult, you can check by doing the ratios. But this one we're multiplying by -1/4 each time. Or, again, ratios, 1/16 over -1/4 is -1/4, which is the same as -1/64 over 1/16, so on and so on. So we have a formula for this, and our geometric sequences. Ooh, the smell of 409 is getting old. Our geometric sequences, we are still going to have a sub n equals a sub 1, but we're multiplying r to the n minus 1. This is our formula that we need to remember. If we are given a problem that says, find the formula for the geometric sequence. So they're telling us right away it's geometric. 6, -2, 2/3, ... You can easily tell r is a fraction and it's -1/3. If you wanted, you could have done -2/6 to get that -1/3 as well. It's just the second term divided by the first term. So plugging this into the formula, a sub n would equal 6 times -1/3 to the n minus 1. And once you have this, you can find any term in that sequence. So that's the beginning. Next part, we'll figure out when we have 2 different terms how to get the formula.